A very good morning and Jai Hind to all my dear children. Welcome you all in GK online class. Children, today we are going to learn some few healthy habits which we all should follow during our daily routine. Okay, so everyone get ready with your book and pencil in your hand. I hope you all have completed all your previous work in the book. Yes, I have seen it. Many of you have sent you the pictures in the group. Yes, very good to all my children, those who are completing their every day's or every week's work. Okay, so let's begin today's class. Let's see a new page. Get ready, everyone, with a pencil and eraser in your hand. Let's start the class. Now, children, here we are going to study about some of the healthy habits, okay, that we all should learn and we all should follow during our daily routine. Now, this is on page number 48 in your book. Take out page number 48, write today's date, and now start reading with me healthy habits. Now, there are many healthy habits that we come across in our daily routine, okay. So what we have to do is we have to tick mark on the healthy habits and we have to put a cross on the habits which we think is unhealthy for us, okay. So what we have to do, आपको एक पेंसिल लेना है and जो भी habits आप सोचते हो आपको लगता है कि yes it is good for us, it makes us healthy, you have to put a tick mark on it. And if you feel that it's of not it is unhealthy and we should not do these sorts of habit, we should not learn these sorts of habit, you have to put a cross. Now see the first picture. In the first picture, children, you can see this boy, he is taking a bath, okay. So bathing is a very healthy one, healthy habit, and we all should follow it. So yes, what you will do, we should take a bath. Yes, we should take a bath, okay. So you will put a tick mark on this picture. We should take a bath. Yes. So put a tick mark on this picture. In the first picture, put a tick mark on it. Now come to the next picture. Now what we should do? We should brush our teeth. Yes. Now how many times we should brush our teeth? We should brush twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay. Now raise your hands. I can see all your teeth shining. And now raise your hands. How many children they brush their teeth daily? So many children I can see. Very good. So we all should brush our teeth twice a day. It's a very healthy habit. So what you will do? Hurry up. Now put a tick mark on this picture. Yes. So everyone has done it. Now see the third picture. Now in the third picture, this girl is painting. She is making a very beautiful drawing. So yes, we should draw. So whenever we get time, whenever there is a free time, when we are feel that we are free right now from studies, from playing, from all our work, then what we should do, we should color also, we should draw also. It's also a very good habit, it enhances your talents. Yes, it makes you creative. So yes, we should color and draw. So you will put a tick mark, take a pencil, draw a tick mark on the third picture also, okay. Then see the fourth picture. In the fourth picture, you will see that this boy is drinking water through the bottle. So it's not healthy habit. Yes, what he's so in this picture, you can see that this boy, he is eating a chocolate, eating a chocolate. Now, eating a chocolate, a lot of chocolate, what will happen? You will get cavity in your teeth. Yes, your teeth will get rotten off. They will start rotting off. Now, when your teeth will not be there, what will happen? You cannot chew your food. So, we should not eat chocolate. It's not an healthy habit. Many of you eat chocolate and you all don't brush your teeth properly, so there is a lot of danger for the kids for getting cavity. So we should not eat chocolate. So put a cross on this habit, it's not a good habit. So put a cross on this habit. Now move on to the next picture. In the next picture, you can see that this boy is putting finger inside his nose. Now, putting finger inside the nose is also again a very bad habit. We all should not follow it. Yes, so putting finger in any of your body parts like in your nose, in your eyes, in your ears can harm you. Yes, so you should not put any of the thing in your ears, any of your piercing चुकीली चीज हमको अपने कानों में, आँख में या किसी और के आईज में या किसी और के ईयर में, नोज में, these all are very sensitive organs of our body, so we should not play with them, we should not harm them. Yes, so we should not put anything inside our nose, inside our eyes, inside our ear, and whatever you feel like these are eatery objects, इनको हम खा सकते हैं, then only you should keep it inside your mouth. Otherwise you should not put anything inside your mouth also, because sometimes they get stuck in your neck and it becomes very difficult for you to get it out. Okay, so don't put any of the object inside your any of your organs. Now come to the next picture. In the sixth picture, you can see these children are playing. So playing is again a very good habit. In the previous lessons I have told you the importance of playing. So yes, if you are playing outside, it's a very healthy habit and we all should adopt it. So you'll put a tick mark on picture 6. Now see the next picture. In the next picture you can see these boys are fighting. They are pushing. One boy is pushing to the another boy. This is a very bad habit. Whenever you are going out to play, you should never fight with any of your friend or brother or sister. So you all should not indulge in such sort of activities. हमको ये सब habits जो है follow नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not follow this. This is a very bad habit. Fighting is not good at all. Whether he is your classmate, whether he is your friend, or he or she is your brother or sister, you should not hit anyone. किसी को भी हमको मारना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, we should not fight with others. Okay, so this is again a very bad habit, so you will put a cross for this picture number 7. Now come to the picture number 8. In the 8th picture, you can see this boy is reading a book. Now again, reading a book is a very good habit. So we should follow it. It's a very good habit. You all should read a book, and you all might be reading also. Yes, so you will put a tick mark on this picture. Now move on to the ninth picture. In the ninth picture, you can see that this boy he is washing his hands. Washing hands is a very good habit, and we all should wash our hands before and after meal. Right now, you all have heard about the corona. Yes, it has brought a very good message for us that whenever we are going out, we are getting back to our homes. First thing what we should do is we should wash our hands. Then only we should touch any other things. We should make use of sanitizer regularly. So these all things we should keep in our mind, and we all should follow these healthy habits. It keeps us strong. It provides us from many sorts of germs, bacteria. So they prevent us from many sorts of diseases. इसीलिए हमको we all should adopt very healthy habits. We should brush our teeth regularly. We should take a bath regularly. We should not eat the things that can harm our body parts, like we should not eat a lot of chocolate, lot of sweets, lot of toffees. They all will bring cavity in your teeth. Your teeth will get rotten, खराब हो जाएंगे, they will start decaying. Yes, so what we should do, we should follow all the healthy habits. We should eat on time, we should play on time, we should do exercise, we should study on time, we should listen to our parents, obey our parents, we should obey all the elder people who are telling you good things. We should obey all the elder people in our home, outside our home. Yes, so we should be a very good children. You all should be a very good children. And how we can become a good children? By following and practicing many good habits that are being told by our elders. Okay, now do you know, children, eating right and healthy is also a good habit. that we should follow. Eating is a very important thing, and it should be done in a very mannerful, or in a very proper way. Okay, it should be done in a very proper way. If you are eating something, nowadays it has been observed that children, when they are eating something, they while having their meals, they are watching TV at that time. They are watching mobile phones. So children, if you all are doing these sorts of activities, then do not do this type of things. Okay, because when you are eating while watching TV, while watching mobile phone, it happens that what you are eating, you are not following that. You are not yeah, inattentive. You become very careless at that moment. और आप जो खा रहे हो, आपको वो समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि आप क्या खा रहे हो, कितना खा रहे हो, हाउ मच क्वांटिटी यू आर कंज्यूमिंग, आप कितना खा रहे हो. You will not pay attention on that, and that will create a lot of problem, a lot of health problem. So whenever you are eating, you should eat on a table chair, or you should eat properly, chew your food properly, and stay away from mobile and TV if you are watching it while you are eating. Okay, so these are habits, a proper eating habit you all should follow. It will protect you from a lot many diseases, and your digestion will get strong, your body will get strong, your immunity gets stronger. So we should adopt a very healthy routine and a healthy habits for getting a very healthy life. Okay, now this completes your page number 48. Now children, we move on to the next page, which is page number 49. Now there are some of the moral values, or there are some golden words which we should speak before to others. Okay, so these words, they create a magic, they spell a magic. Now what are these magical words? Look at these magical words. Choose your response to the situations using the help box. Write them in the space provided. Now there are many uh, these golden words you can say, or you can say magic words. One is sorry. If you made something mistake, or if you realize that you have done something wrong, then you should be sorry for that. Yes, so sorry. And if someone gives you something, then what you should say, you should say thank you. You should be feel obliged, and you should be thankful, and you should say thank you. Then if you want something, you should say please. And if someone says you thank you should say you are welcome. Okay, जब आपको कोई थैंक यू बोलता है, तो you should not just be pleased और बस आप खुश हो गए. No, you have to respond in the thank you for thank you also. And what you will say, आपको अगर कोई थैंक यू बोलता है, you will speak, you will say you are welcome. What you will say, you are welcome. And while you all are going for sleep, you should wish your mother and father, or all the members in your family, good night. When you are waking up in the morning, what you should say to your parents, to your family members, good morning. So these are some of the magical words which children, they should learn in a very early एज. ओके, जब आप इसको बहुत छोटी सी उम्र से जब आप सीखते हो, तब आप बड़े होते होते तक भी ये चीजें आपके अंदर रहती हैं. ओके, so what from today, what you will do children, you will say good morning on your own, and you will wish good night to all your family members, to whomsoever you will meet in the morning and at the night. And what you will say, if you have done any mistake, then feel for that, say sorry for that. If someone gives you something, say thank you for that. And if you want something for someone, you will say please for that. Na? And if someone says thank you to you, then you should say you are welcome. Okay, now there are some sentences that are given to you, and you have to tell that magic word. When your friend shares her food with you, what you should do? See, in this picture, you can see when you go to school, you all sit together, you eat together. Now, when you eat together, when someone shares you or offers you something, what you should say? After taking the thing, you should say thank you. It's a very general word. Yes, जब भी अगर आपको कोई कुछ देता है, तो आपको क्या बोलना चाहिए? You should say thank you. Now, when you accident, see the second sentence. When you accidentally step on someone's foot while walking, अगर आप चलते चलते किसी के ऊपर पैर रख देते हो, किसी के पैर के ऊपर आप पैर रख देते हो, then what you should do? What you should do? You should just move on? No. You should realize your mistake and you should say, I am sorry. Yes, these sorry word you should say sorry. You should be sorry because you have done it mistakenly. Yes, you have not done it intentionally. You have done it by mistake. So you should be sorry for that. So immediately you say, I'm sorry. Now the third one, when you are going off to sleep, जब आप सोने जाते हो, in the picture you can see this boy is going to sleep. जब आप सोने जाते हो, तो what you should say? Should say good morning. No na. What you should say? You should say good night. Yes. Now see the next sentence. In the next sentence it is given, when a fellow passenger thanks you for offering your seat in the bus. तो इफ समवन सेज थैंक यू, अगर आपने किसी को कोई चीज दी या आपने किसी के लिए कुछ किया एंड दैट पर्सन ही हैड रिस्पोंडेड यू एंड सेड थैंक यू, देन इन रिटर्न व्हाट you will say you are welcome. So here one example is given that if someone if you have given someone your seat, इस बॉय ने अपनी सीट इन अंकल को दी, तो इन अंकल ने इसको क्या बोला, इस बॉय को थैंक यू, तो ये बच्चा फिर इनको क्या बोलेगा, यू आर वेलकम, क्या बोलेगा, what this boy will say to this uncle, you are welcome. So if anyone says thank you to you, if you do something for someone and someone says thank you to you, then what you should say, you are welcome. Okay, now see the fifth picture. When you want to go ahead of someone on the road, अगर आपको कहीं भी when you see there is a lot of mess or you can see that it is a very crowded place and you cannot get on to somewhere, आप आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हो and आपके आगे कोई है, so what you will do, you will say excuse me rather than pushing that person, धक्का मारने से अच्छा या हटाने से अच्छा, what you will say, you will say excuse me in the sense make way for me. Okay, so what you will ask for, you will say excuse me. Okay, so whenever you want to go somewhere, when you want to go ahead of someone either on the road or if it is a mall or if it is a any crowded place, so what you should say, you should say excuse me. Okay, if you want a place ahead, you should say excuse me. Now how excuse me is written, e x x cuse, c u s e, excuse me. Okay, now do you know children, being polite helps us in building good relations with people. It often helps in avoiding differences with others. If you will behave properly, you will make a lot of friends. Whereas if you will not behave properly, if your behavior will be very impolite, आपका behavior appropriate नहीं रहेगा, if it is very inappropriate, then what will happen? People will not come to you and you will be alone. So if you want to be very popular, if you want to be a good, you have to show it in your habits and um, in your relations. Yes, so you have to be very polite, you have to be polite to others, and then only you can maintain a very good relationship with other people. Okay, so children, we have studied about different good habits today, and we have completed page number 49. So, in the first picture, you will write thank you. In the second picture, you will write I am sorry. Third picture, you will write good night. Fourth picture, you will write you are welcome. And in the fifth picture, you will write excuse me. Okay, so we have completed our page number 48 and 49 today. I hope you all have understood both the chapters. So you will complete your both the pages. Okay. So children, this completes both the pages of yours. So do complete your work. दोनों page complete करिएगा. and whatever the thing is, go on reading. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Learn good habits, read it, bring it into your actions. Okay, so we will meet again in our next class. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.